Imagine turning a one-time $25 decision into a lifetime of digital freedom, no monthly fees, no hidden costs, just pure opportunity. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because this might just be the shift you've been waiting for. Let's be real. Most of us are tired of chasing opportunities that drain our wallets every month, paying subscription after subscription, hoping one finally works. You've probably tried side hustles that overpromise and underdeliver. You invest time, effort, and money, but the results? Minimal. Here's the truth. Financial freedom doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. That's why I joined the $25 one-time club, a simple, affordable way to start building a digital business with no ongoing fees, no upsells, and no pressure. Just one-time access to mentorship, digital tools, and a step-by-step system that works. You get instant access to training that teaches you real digital marketing skills. You keep 100% of your commissions, because there are no monthly deductions. You connect with a community that actually wants to see you win. This isn't another hype-based program. It's a launchpad, designed to help beginners start small, grow steady, and scale sustainably. I was skeptical at first. $25? No monthly fees? I thought there had to be a catch. But then I realized, the catch was my own hesitation. Once I took that small step, things started changing, my confidence grew, my mindset shifted, and I began seeing results I didn't think were possible before. So, if you're tired of feeling stuck, tired of paying into programs that don't deliver, it's time to flip the script. Click the link below. Join the $25 one-time club today. Start learning how to build income online, the right way. Because sometimes, all it takes, is one small step to start a brand new chapter. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more digital growth tips, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Remember, freedom doesn't start when you have it all. It starts the moment you decide to begin.